In this video, I'll show you some Python function that is useful for you and you can use them in your daily talks. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Code Critical and coding fastly and efficiently. And the first function I'm going to show you is the min function. I'll simply here create an array. By array I mean list, and this will be one basic numbers. Now I will find the function, and the function name is min. This function simply return the the smallest value in the iterable. You have to give the iterable in the arguments. I will give li as an argument, and this will return the smallest element in the argument. So I will run this, and here you can see the 1 is the smallest element in this iterable. Now the next here is same. The min, here is a max function which returns the maximum, the largest value, biggest value in the iterable. So I will give the iterable as an argument and run this, and here you can see the 4th is the largest value in this iterable. Now the next I'm show you is the enumerate function, which you can also use in the for loop. With the for loop, this function simply return a list in which there are tuples containing the indices and the element. So you have to give the iterable as an argument. So I will run this, and this will return an object. You have to convert it into whatever type you want. I will convert it into list, and there we go. I will run this again, and here you can see it returns. I have converted this into list. That's why I return a list, and here it have tuples containing the index and the element. Here you can see 0, 1, and the index and element. You can see that's how you can use the enumerate. You can use this with the for loop if you want. Now the next function is the length function, which is used to return the length of an iterable, whether it's a list or tuple or whatever. And here you can see the length is full. You can also do like you can also find the length of an iterable using __len function. I'll run this. This is a done method is called, and this is how we can use it to return the 4 in the. That's why the 4th is the length of the iterable. And the next is in the function is any. This function it returns the true if an element, elements are true in the array, and otherwise it returns the false. So if I give the array here and run this, and here you can see it return the true, because by default all the elements 1, 2, 3 and whatever it is, it is the true. If I modify the array here and I got this array and type and I put 0 false and run this again, and here you can see the 0 is the false, and also the false is false. This is why it returned false. That's how you can use any function to check out whether elements are true in array or not. That's how. So I hope this function will help you, and if you like gain some knowledge about this, you can like the video and you can press the subscribe button also. Thanks for watching the video.